some green juice. So you guys, I decided today I wanted to do a full detox day. Do you want a bath? What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a detox day. I just finished my juice from Whole Foods. It was delicious, you guys. I am definitely the queen of not eating my greens, but if I can drink them in a juice like this, I'm here for it. So I wanted this vlog to be focused around how to detox, why I'm detoxing, and the point of it. First of all, I want more mental clarity in my day. I'm not gonna be doing this for a week or anything like that. I will be taking these habits, I call them, and implementing them in my own routine day to day. But I did start out with a workout this morning, as you guys saw in the beginning of this video. And right after my workout, I like to treat myself to a juice. I did not have coffee today. I did, however, substitute that with pre-workout. Some days I will do both, but today I was like, girl, no, we don't need all that caffeine in our life. So my way of eating and detoxing is eating cleaner, whole foods, healthy foods. Think nuts, seeds, vegetables, your fruits, and not eating dairy. I say raw foods like salads, juices, your smoothies, things that aren't heavy, like filled with sauces or dips, you know, like you just kind of want to stick to the whole foods in that way. So I did pick up something really nice for dinner later on tonight, and I did a fasted workout, so all I've had to eat quotes, is my green juice, and I'm not hungry. I've been for sure filling up on my water, making sure that I've stayed hydrated today as well. I think that also has to say that you need to be hydrated. I would say a gallon a day. That's always my goal, as you guys saw from my healthy habits vlog. I will link that in the cards and in the down bar for you guys if you want to know more of these healthy habits that you can start doing. Not all at once, you know, I always say take it one day at a time. Everyone has their own pace and everything, but just so you're more aware of some of those benefits, I am in like lounge clothes today, fresh out of the shower. I did film a very intense vlog. I'm sure you guys watched that, my last upload. So I just thought I would be productive today and show you guys how I'm gonna be detoxing, since I am detoxing. How many times can we say the word detox? But I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna get some editing done right now, and I'll come back with my next thing to eat. Okay, also, if you're gonna detox, go to the gym. Mentally, it definitely adds a lot of clarity. I'm doing this again for clarity and to feel lighter. You know, like if you eat a lot of pasta, cheeses, dairy, heavy foods, cooked foods, things that have a lot of sodium, you feel bloated, you feel your weight. That's what I don't want. Like, I really just want to feel light, energized, and refreshed. And that is the overall goal. So I'm just wearing a lounge bra. Where did I get these? Biker shorts are from Brandy Melville. I'm surprised I fit them because it's one size fits all, or most. And then my favorite cardigan is from Misguided, and I got my Odd Future socks on right now, and slippers because I'm at home. But that's the look, that's the vibe. It's detox time, you guys. I'm sipping on some lemon water, and I just did one lemon, the full thing, the juice of it. And right now I'm going to actually have my ginger shot. This is gonna really help with digestion as well as inflammation in the body. I really think it's great for me to focus on foods that are anti-inflammatory, and getting in ginger, whether it's in a juice or taking it in a shot like this that's mixed with other things, is great. I got this one from Trader Joe's. It's one of my favorites. It's pretty smooth. It's a lot easier to take than just doing straight ginger on its own. So this one has a blend of coconut water, ginger, lemon juice, as well as some cayenne pepper, which is really gonna help aid fat loss and just helping you burn fat a little bit more as well. So that's what I'm gonna have at the moment, straight after my green juice. And I do like having lemon water throughout the day if I just get sick of regular water. I love drinking water, so I don't mind it. But this is a great way to get in some extra vitamin C throughout your day. And I also talked about it a little bit in my last vlog where I shared all of my healthy habits. So definitely get onto lemon water if you guys aren't doing it already. Excuse the laundry, I've been cleaning up today. Cheers. Oh, she's a little spicy. Wow. These are so good, you guys. I think they are maybe $1.99 each from Trader Joe's, which is not bad. All right, I'm making some oatmeal. Ooh, making a mess. So the kind that I like, because it is instant, comes from Trader Joe's. What else is new, guys? I feel like with detoxes, you know, people think, oh, I'm not supposed to eat. But for me, it's always about eating the right foods and eating for a purpose, eating for fuel. Because at the end of the day, food is what? Food is fuel. It's supposed to help us, give us energy, give us the vitamins and the nutrients that we need to survive. So these come individually packaged and they cook in like 2 minutes in the microwave. And these are the oats with the flax seeds. So this is really packed with healthy fats. So it's gonna keep me full longer throughout the day. It's packed with fiber, so it's gonna get our digestion going, help us get regular. And this is a lot of oatmeal for me. I don't really eat a lot of oats in one serving. I get so full so fast. So I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. All right, so I've got my oats nice and cooked. I do like them more on the, I would say like liquidy side. I don't like dry, thick oatmeal, but make it how you like it. I do think this is a great option compared to a lot of the other ones that you'll see in the store that are like instant oats. So definitely one of my go-tos from Trader Joe's. Now I love to add toppings to my oatmeal, especially ones that make it a little bit more savory. So I'm gonna add some sunflower seed butter. This one has no sugar added to it. It's just sunflower seeds and a little bit of salt. I love a little bit of sweet mixed with savory. This oatmeal does have a little bit of sweetness added into it, just to keep in mind. So I'll also be adding some cinnamon to the top of this. This is really gonna help our blood sugar. And also I'm going to add some mixed golden berries. This one has raisins, dried cranberries, and cherries and blueberries. But you could add fresh fruit to this. You could do honey. Almond butter would be a really good mix, but I definitely wanted to switch it up for today. But if you guys haven't tried this sunflower seed butter, it's so good. Basically, I like to use it the same as I would my almond butter. Sorry, I'm just gonna mix it a little bit because it's separating. Give that a good stir. But I try to find clean nut butters and seed butters because I don't need preservatives in them, and Trader's has literally so many options. So I'm gonna add a dollop of that in there. It's getting nice and gooey. Love cinnamon, and again, whatever your favorite fruit is, add that to the mix. This is gonna add some sweetness and some tart flavors. That's it, you guys. That's what I'm adding to my oats today. It's gonna keep me nice and full until my next meal. Is add a splash of almond milk to make it a little more creamy. And this always tastes like a cake batter to me. I don't know why, because it's so sweet. It literally tastes like a cookie dough, like an oatmeal raisin cookie. So of course today I have been hydrated with lots of water, and super key. So I'm finally going to have something hot, and I picked up this split pea soup from Whole Foods. It's one of my favorites that they do, and I love peas in general. It's one of my favorite green veggies. I feel like it's so underrated, but they are packed with plant-based protein, and I just get cravings for beans and peas and stuff. So I'm gonna heat up a little bit of this. This smells amazing. I just added some fresh black pepper and pink salt to the top of it. And when I'm detoxing, of course I mentioned this earlier, I like to eat foods for fuel, so this is going to give me lots of protein throughout my day. And peas in general are pretty alkalining for the body, so it's going to help balance everything out from the inside. And of course it's savory, so I can never say no to that. But I'm going to have this right now, and I'm definitely going to be back with more food to show you guys. I just like to eat smaller, lighter meals, fresh foods. Even though this is hot, I still consider it to be fresh, but you could definitely swap this out for a salad that's packed with hearty greens and all of your favorite veggies. But yeah, for now, this is what I'm having with my water. Probably had maybe about a third of this actually, which is not bad. Get 3 servings out of it. I just did a little run to Trader Joe's and picked up some staples, and I'm trying my best in 2020 not to waste food. So I'm not going in and buying a ton of stuff at once, just kind of going in with the mindset of the meals that I want to make. And you guys know I love a good meal prep, and I keep mine fairly simple with whole ingredients. So if you want more info on meal prep sessions and videos and how I meal prep and do it efficiently but also healthy and flavorful, then check out the links in the description box. But one of my things for this new year to cut down on wasting produce and food in general, and also money along with that, is to get stuff that is frozen. Trader's has the best variety, I swear, for everyone's diet. So I've been living for their organic green beans. These are great if you just steam them in the microwave, top them off with some salt and pepper, and then, you know, I make my rice bowls, so I end up mixing everything together anyways with the spices. And my favorite thing is this pack of chicken tenders, and they're frozen, so you can go in and either meal prep the whole bag at once or grab just a few for that meal. So that's amazing. They defrost super easily. And brown rice, because I ran out of my healthy carb options. So that's just a simple 3-ingredient meal prep, and then you can throw your favorite spices on top. I try to avoid a lot of sauces because those are full of sodium and sugars that I just don't feel like I need them. And I do love a good bagel for snack time with almond butter. Top it off with some honey, some cinnamon, some bananas, and it's amazing. And I also grabbed some ginger root to throw into my green smoothies to help with inflammation and my digestion. So that's the little like meal preppy stuff. And then over here, I got a bunch of greens and juices to detox. So I already drank a juice on the way to the grocery store and a ginger shot this morning. So I'm basically implementing more greens into my diet, and the easiest way for me, you guys, is to drink them rather than eat a bunch of lettuce. That's just boring to me. So I look forward to my green juices. I've had this one before, the cold pressed juice, and it's 100% vegetable fruit juice blend. There's no sugar added into it or anything like that. You can see the simple ingredients that this one has, which is kale, spinach, apple, cucumber, celery, lemon, and ginger. It's very nice and refreshing, especially after a workout. So I'm gonna try to replace more green juices for coffees and espresso shots throughout the day. And you guys know I've been a fan of these for a while, since they've come out at Trader Joe's. Suja organic cold pressed celery juice, and the only ingredients are celery juice and lemon. I've tried to do the whole celery juice, like I've juiced it at home before. It's just extremely salty. It's a lot of sodium in it naturally, so it definitely is an acquired taste. But you know what, mind over matter, and I'm here for all the health benefits of celery juice. I do know it's best to drink it by itself, no lemon, no nothing, but I've got to start somewhere on this journey. So I got 3 just to try out, and you know what, life is about balance. I always tell you dolls that. So I've been wanting to try these cookies for a while. They are nut free and they are vegan oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. And listen, I love a good oatmeal raisin cookie, so I'm hoping that these are gonna be fire. I'm really excited about these. They have a great variety of vegan cookies and snacks and stuff, and I don't have the biggest sweet tooth, but when I do, I just want a little bite, a little nibble of something to satisfy that so I can stop thinking about it. So that's my little haul from Trader Joe's. I'm going to be doing a little bit of meal prep later on tonight, but I'm really focused on eating more simple foods and just not wasting things, you know? I hate throwing away produce or like an avocado, RIP. Like, it's so sad. Like, I don't know, guys. I'm not about to be wasting stuff this year. So anyways, I'm gonna put this stuff away, and probably in the vlog here somewhere, I'm gonna add this to my detox video because I feel like it's relevant just throughout the week, things that I do and foods that I eat. Where's Leroy? I can't even find him. He's just blending in. One day I was like, Leroy, where are you? And he was laying like this and I just couldn't find him. You comfy?